Anybody? Dear Frau, in case you ever come back, I want you to know that Maria and I, along with our children, have run off to Switzerland to evade getting captured by the Nazis. Sorry about everything that happened between us, and sorry that you could not come. You were right all along. We can never be lovers. We can only be friends. Signed, the Captain. Open this door! 1 moment, please! Open this door! Hurry up! Hurry up! 1 second. Right this way. Where is the Captain? Where is it? Where is the Captain? I will tell you nothing! Oh! It appears as though you are trying to protect the ones you love. Well, Frau, you should take my advice and do not be a hero. Well, I command you to speak! You are too daring, Frau. I do not think you fully grasp all that you are getting yourself into. I will break you. You will try, but you will not succeed. Throw her on that chair! Oh. She will realize the danger she is getting herself into. Speak, woman.
Sir! She will speak. We must give her time. Compose herself.
Frau sweeps the holes and hits her knee. Her dress has got a tear.
She waltzes on her way to lunch and vacuums on the stair.
And underneath her hair, she has colors for her hair.
I even heard her mopping in the kitchen.
She's always late for a doorbell.
But her penitence.
She's always late for everything.
Except for every meal.
I hate to have to say it, but I very fondly feel
Frau Schmidt is not an asset to the Nazis. I'd like to say a word on her behalf.
Say it, Franz.
Frau Schmidt makes me laugh. How do you solve a problem like Frau Schmidt? How do you keep my house from falling down? How do you find a word that means Frau Schmidt? A flibberty tibbet, a will of a wisp.
A maid!
Many a thing you know you'd like to tell her. Many a thing she ought to want to tell.
But how do you make her stay and disclose everything? How do you keep a maid from going mad? Oh, how do you solve a problem like Frau Schmidt?
How do you hold in your hand?
But I will tell you. It all started about 18 years ago. The captain had just been released from his naval duties. He was lonely, and his house was a mess.
Great Gatsby! I don't understand how you live in this house alone. I mean, I've only been back for a week, and I'm going crazy in this house.
Well, sir, since you've been back, the house has turned into a pigsty. Really was much more peaceful when you were away.
Very funny. We need help around here.
Perhaps we can hire a housekeeper.
This is why I keep you around. Let's hold interviews today.
I know some applicants who might be interested.
Perfect.
Let me give them a call.
I think we might be onto something here.
Captain, do not start cleaning. Really is no point, sir.
I know, Franz. It's kind of embarrassing.
Well, here come the applicants now.
All right. Who are you?
I'm a Frau for you. I like to dust it. I like to sweep it. I'm a Frau for you. I like to shake it. I like to bake it. I'm a Frau for you.
Great That species hired, Franz.
I began work immediately and quickly transformed the house into a clean hole, and also provided the captain with some company.
I made sure nothing came out of it, however, for I was just a maid and he was a renowned Austrian naval captain. Society would never allow it, nor understand. However, that all changed this day, 3 months after I started.
And I liked it. The name of my love is Frau Schmidt. I hired a maid just to try it. I hope the Navy don't mind it. It felt so wrong. It felt so wrong. I'm getting my house clean tonight. I hired a maid and I liked it. I liked it. On the seas I wish I stayed. It doesn't matter, you're my experimental maid. Just being a bachelor, it's not what captains do, not how they should behave. My head gets so confused, hard to obey. I obeyed and I liked it. I liked it.
Tiring.
Captain, did you just say something?
Yes, Frau, I did. I can't bear it anymore. My love for you is growing by the day, and oh gosh, I think we have some things to address.
I do not understand what you are talking about. You cannot fall in love with me. That is unheard of.
But love is a many splendid thing. Love lifts us up where we belong. All you need is love.
Please, do not start that again.
All you need is love.
A maid has got to clean.
All you need is love.
She'll forget how to sweep.
All you need is love.
Love is just a game.
I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me.
The only way of loving me, baby, is to learn to help me clean.
Just one night. Give me just one night.
There's no lust, 'cause you can't dust.
In the name of love. One night in the name of love.
You crazy fool. I'll only clean for you.
Don't leave me this way. I can't survive without your sweet love. Oh, baby, don't leave me this way.
You think that people would have had enough of silly love songs?
I look around me and I see it isn't so. Oh, no.
Some people want to fill the world with silly love songs.
Well, what's wrong with that? I'd like to know. 'Cause here I go again. Love lifts us up where we belong.
Get down, get down!
Where eagles fly on a mountain high.
Love makes us act like we are fools. Throw our mobs away for one happy day.
We could be heroes just for one day.
You would be me.
No, I won't.
And I'll clean all the time.
We should be lovers.
We can't do that.
We should be lovers, and that's a fact.
Though nothing would keep us together.
We could stop time just for one day. We could be heroes forever and ever. We could be heroes forever and ever. Just because I tonight can't help frowning.
One moment.
life is.
Now you're in the world.
We eloped in secret that day. Then we made sure no one found out of it, for fear of being scrutinized by the public. That was also the night Liesel was conceived. We now fast forward many children and many years later to about 1 year ago.
Wait.
The day Maria came into the Von Trapp household. Nothing has been the same ever since.